Welcome to Our Daily Health. How to exfoliate your face. 10 natural ways to exfoliate your face at home. Exfoliating simply refers to the removal of dead skin cells from the outer layer of the skin, usually using a chemical or granular substance. Normally, your skin removes dead cells and regenerates new ones every 27 days. Not all dead skin cells are shed. This results in dry and flaky skin with clogged pores. This is why you need to exfoliate. Exfoliating can prevent clogged pores, boost collagen production, thus reducing wrinkles and fine lines and improving your skin's appearance in so many ways. So, where do you start? Instead of experimenting with several chemical ingredients and exfoliants, you can easily create your own natural exfoliants at home and start using them for immediate results. In this video, we will be sharing 10 natural ways to exfoliate your face at home. You don't have to break the bank to start creating your own DIY scrubs. You are likely to have most of these ingredients in your pantry, and they are just as or more effective and healthy than the chemical exfoliants. 10 natural ways to exfoliate your face at home. Number 1. Citrus fruit and yogurt facial scrub. You can use any citrus fruit for this facial scrub. Whether it's lemon, limes, sweet oranges, or mandarins, they contain alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, a popular ingredient in exfoliating products. AHAs help in sloughing off dead skin cells, removing dirt and unclogging pores to reveal soft, bright, and supple skin. You will need a citrus fruit, e.g. a lemon, 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. Instructions. Extract the juice from the lemon, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to 1/4 cup of plain yogurt in a bowl and mix thoroughly. Apply it to the skin and leave for about 10 minutes. Massage gently and in a circular motion so that the mixture gets absorbed by the skin. Rinse off with warm water. Number 2. Sugar scrub. Sugar scrubs are another great DIY scrub to exfoliate your face. It is easy to make and very effective in removing dead skin cells. Use this sugar scrub once or twice a week for soft and glowing skin. You will need 1 cup of organic granulated sugar, brown or white, 1/2 cup of coconut oil or olive oil. Optional, a few drops of your favorite essential oil such as lavender, peppermint, or tea tree. Instructions: combine all the ingredients in a bowl and mix thoroughly. Apply 1 tablespoon of the mixture to your face and scrub gently. Rinse with warm water. Store the rest in an airtight container. Other variation: you can make a pumpkin pie paste using pumpkin pie spice, brown sugar, and vitamin E oil, or a lemon sugar scrub using white sugar, olive oil, vitamin E oil, and lemon oil. You can also exfoliate your lips using the sugar scrub. Number 3. Baking soda and honey facial scrub. This affordable and effective facial scrub will do wonders for your skin in no time. Other than its usefulness in baking soda is an excellent physical exfoliator. It helps remove dead skin cells and eliminate acne and pimples. Honey also has exfoliating properties. It can help unclog pores and brighten the skin. You will need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of organic honey. Instructions: mix the ingredients in a small bowl, apply to your face and massage in circular motions. Leave it for a minute or 2. Rinse off with warm water. Number 4. Oatmeal and honey exfoliating scrub. This scrub will remove dead skin cells and leave you with smooth and bright skin. Oatmeal and honey are highly medicinal on their own. Together, they will work wonders for your skin. Oatmeal contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that would eliminate skin issues and moisturize your skin. Honey has potent antibacterial properties. It would heal infections and irritations and leave you with brighter skin. You will need 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: combine ground oatmeal and honey in a bowl and mix thoroughly until smooth paste forms. Apply the mixture to your face and massage gently for a minute. Leave it for about 5 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Use this scrub twice a week for amazing results. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 5. Milk and egg. Milk has high lactic acid content, which makes it an excellent exfoliator. It is gentle and moisturizes your skin. The egg helps in skin tightening and unclogging pores. This duo makes an affordable and effective way to exfoliate your face. You will need 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons of milk. Instructions: mix the ingredients thoroughly in a bowl, apply it to your face and massage gently to allow your skin to absorb the ingredients. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Use this scrub twice a week for the best results. Number 6. Papaya. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that breaks down inactive proteins and banishes dead skin cells. Other than its exfoliating properties, papaya has healing and brightening properties. It contains vitamin A, which helps in reducing wrinkles and fine lines. You will need a papaya. Instructions: wash your face with your facial cleanser and dry. Remove the seeds and the fruit. You would only need the skin for this remedy. Rub the papaya skin on your face in a circular motion for a minute. Allow drying and repeat. Allow the juice from the papaya skin to sit on your face for 2 minutes. Rinse well with lukewarm water. Number 7. Lavender, rose petal, almond oil, and sugar face scrub. Lavender oil is great for exfoliating and moisturizing your face. It has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that help eliminate acne-causing bacteria. Almond has been used in the past to treat skin issues like eczema and acne. It also helps remove excess oil from the skin. Rose water is an excellent cleanser. This facial scrub will do an excellent job at removing dead skin cells from your skin. You will need 10 to 15 drops of lavender oil, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of almond oil, 1 rose petal. Instructions: pour the sugar into a bowl and add the essential oil and almond oil. Tear the rose petals into small bits and add to the mixture. Stir properly using a small spoon. Apply it to a wet face and massage gently in a circular motion. Save the rest in an airtight container. You can use this exfoliating scrub 1 to 3 times a week. Number 8. Apple, oats, rose water, and honey exfoliating scrub. Apple has high antioxidant content, which protects your skin from damage. It is also rich in collagen and elastin. These are essential proteins that are necessary for your skin's structure and integrity. Rose water gently exfoliates the skin as well. You will need 2 tablespoons of mashed apples, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of honey, a few drops of rose water. Instructions: mash 1/2 of a medium-sized apple in a food processor. Add 2 tablespoons of the mashed apples to the honey, oatmeal, and rose water. Mix thoroughly. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse well with lukewarm water. Number 9. Apple and apple cider vinegar. Apple contains malic acid, an AHA, which stimulates exfoliation and is extremely beneficial for your skin. Apple cider vinegar contains antimicrobial properties and helps to eliminate acne-causing bacteria. If your skin is a sensitive one, then you can use only the apple. You will need an apple, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Instructions: mash the apple and extract 2 tablespoons from it. Add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to the mashed apples. Apply the facial scrub to your face and massage gently. Rinse well with lukewarm water. You can use this twice a week for the best results. Number 10. Blueberries and honey face scrub. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes them great for your skin. It also contains vitamin C, which can work wonders for your skin. Honey is also a natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that can banish pimples, acne, and zits. You will need 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/2 cup of fresh blueberries. Instructions: mash the blueberries well. Blend the blueberries and honey together until a consistent paste forms. Apply the mixture to your face and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water in a gentle circular motion. Taking care of your skin should be a huge priority for you. A regular skincare routine would slow down skin aging and prevent skin irritation. You can begin to implement your choice of DIY exfoliating scrub in your skincare routine for smooth and glowing skin. Which natural ways to exfoliate your face do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.